This is Linux Air Combat version 5.63 from early February of 2018. Let's take a tour of all of the airplanes. We've added a lot lately. I do that by clicking on Fly a Mission and then Default Aircraft. The aircraft are now organized by country and manufacturer alphabetically. So the first country is France, and we have just one French airplane. Next we have German airplanes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 German airplanes. Italy has 2, 1 and 2. Next, Japan has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 aircraft. England, the United Kingdom, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the United States has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 airplanes. And finally, the Soviet Union has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 airplanes. In addition, we have this imaginary or whimsical hawk, a jet aircraft, and one undefined generic airplane that's designed for future implementation. There's our quick tour. I think that makes 54 aircraft in this version of the sim.